Here I've got Doogee S55 Lite, and let me show you how to enable Google Backup on the following device. So at first, let's open list of all applications, then find and pick the settings. Now scroll down to the very bottom of the list and pick System. Now go to Backup and simply activate it by tapping on this switcher. And that's it. Now it's active, but you need one more thing. You have to create backup account. So click on Account, give your device a few seconds to check all the information. And now it's time to log in with your Google account, and if you don't have one, simply click on Create Account. I do have mine, so I will simply enter it. It's HardReset.Info 1@gmail.com. And click on Next. Info 1. I missed one letter, actually mistyped it, then click on Next. And now enter the password, so just let me show you if you will be entering it. Just click on the eye icon to check if you are typing it correctly. So let me do it off the screen. And then click on Next. And here just come along with all Google Terms of Services and privacy policy. If you will click on the link, you will be able to read all of them, and once you come along with it, and if you agree with the terms, click on I agree. And as you can see here, backup option is active, so from now on your data will be safe as it will be permanently backed. So click on Accept. And as you can see here is the final notification that backup includes apps and app data, call history, contact, device settings, and messages. So click on OK and go back to the standard usage of your phone. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.